Discover how fun physics can be. Some school subjects are easy and fun, but physics and math can feel tricky. What if learning physics was exciting and actually fun? That's exactly what I discovered with PhET Interactive Simulations, a fantastic website that makes complicated science ideas super simple. Created by the University of Colorado Boulder, PhET offers amazing simulations that cover everything from basic to advanced physics topics. And they're not just lessons, they're hands-on activities that show how things work. The website is bright, easy to use, and full of fun learning tools. Explore motion, energy, electricity, and magnetism with simulations you control. No confusing explanations, just fun experiments. And guess what? PhET isn't just about physics. There are interactive lessons for chemistry, biology, earth science, and math, all under the Simulations tab. Each simulation comes with easy instructions and a short description to help you start. Some even have challenge modes to test your skills. For example, in the Forces in Motion simulation, you can play with objects, change their size and weight, push them, and watch them move, all in real time. There's even a helpful filters tool that matches activities to your grade level. So whether you're preparing for a big test or love science, PhET makes learning an exciting adventure. Way more fun than a textbook. Explore it at phet.colorado.edu.
No voiceover, kids' voices shouting enthusiastically. We want to watch more videos. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'd love to see your ideas or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Stay awesome!